Bonjour tout le monde. In today's video, we are going to cover the topic that is demonstrative adjectives, and in French it is les adjectifs démonstratifs français. Now, the first question is, where do we use these demonstrative adjectives in French? So it is same as in English. It is used to point out someone or something as in English. For example, these are this or that, or for plural it is these or those. So it is always placed before the noun. So in French, there are 4 types of demonstrative adjective. The first is ce, second is cette, set, used for feminine singular. Then third is cet, that is used for masculine singular and beginning with a vowel. Yes, I repeat, masculine singular beginning with a vowel. Now the last that we use for masculine and feminine plural, it is ces, ces, say, which means these or those. For example, le garçon habite dans cet immeuble means the boy lives in this building. So immeuble is I, which starts with vowel, and it is a masculine word. That's why we placed here cet, not ce, because the first letter of a noun, it is vowel. Now another example, it is like ce stylo. Now here, stylo is a pen and which start with S, so it is not a vowel. That's why we write here ce. Now next is for feminine singular, set gomme. Gomme is an eraser, so here G is a consonant, but we will not write down here ce because gomme is the noun which is feminine. And say, it is for masculine and feminine both, but it is for plural. Now, these are the few points to remember while doing these demonstrative adjective in French. You have to observe the sentence carefully and to be assured about the gender of a noun and number. Why it is? Because in French, we don't say like this pen or that pen. If it is this or that, we use same. Only we have to remember for a noun, for a gender of noun and the number, whether it is singular or plural. Now, second point we have to remember, one must recall the table of demonstrative adjectives. For example, when we are starting doing the exercise, we should revise the table. So, ce for masculine singular, which means this or that. cette for feminine singular, which means again this or that. Then again cet, which also means this or that, but it is used for masculine singular, and it should be, the word should be started with a vowel. And the last, these or those, which is say, and obviously it is for both feminine or masculine plural. Now one thing, please do not confuse in this, the cet, it only used with masculine word, not feminine word, right? Now next, select the demonstrative adjective wisely. We have to remember the noun, whether it is masculine or feminine. Now, and the last but not the least, do not forget the rules of using demonstrative adjectives as we have discussed. So, stay tuned. Au revoir. Keep learning, keep growing.